Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download a best free antivirus software for your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, first you have to come over into your search option and going to search for Microsoft Store. If you add this Microsoft Store into your taskbar, then it's all okay, just click on that. If you didn't have that over here, you can simply search Microsoft Store and we'll get the Microsoft Store over there. Click on Microsoft Store and after a short time the Microsoft Store will be open, and now here you just need to search for AVG Antivirus. You can see, click on that. After that you will get this software over here called AVG Antivirus free. You just simply click on install it, and after a short time it will be downloading. It is about 720.7 MB, so it will take some minutes to download. For that you just need to keep patience, and you can see it's installed. And now if you close it, and you can see your AVG Antivirus is over here. So if you click on that for open, you can see the AVG Antivirus free is open over here. And yeah, so this is how you can download and install best antivirus free for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.